Hi, this is Aditya from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 10th January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PI to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. So these are the 5 news for today. Decline in hiring across sectors in the Indian job market, rising unemployment among the youth in India. No power on earth can stop India from becoming a $35 trillion economy by 2047. President Draupadi Murmu honors achievers with the Khel Ratna and Arjuna Award. EU scientists confirm that 2023 was the hottest year on record. Hiring and the Indian job market 2023. White collar hiring in India saw a significant 16% decline in December compared to the same period the previous year. The IT sector faced challenges with a substantial 21% decrease in hiring compared to December 2022. Despite overall caution, certain roles like full stack data scientist, IT infrastructure engineer, and automation engineer saw decent hiring activities. The hospitality sector continued its growth momentum, experiencing a 4% increase in hiring compared to December last year, with significant job growth observed in Mumbai and Delhi NCR. Sectors such as BPO, education, retail, and healthcare displayed cautious hiring sentiments, witnessing year on year declines of 17%, 11%, 11%, and 10% respectively in job offers during December. The oil and gas sector maintained job offer levels comparable to the previous year, while the pharma sector saw a 2% increase in hiring. Non-metro cities outshone metros, with Vadodara standing out with a 3% annual growth in new job offers. CMIE points to rising unemployment among youth. Despite an overall decline in India's unemployment rate in 2023, the joblessness among the youth has increased. As per data from the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy (CMIE), in Q3 FY24, the unemployment rate for the 20 to 24 year group was 44.49%, a slight increase from the previous quarter. The 25 to 29 years category recorded a 14 quarter high of 14.33%, and the 30 to 34 years group saw a 10 quarter high of 2.49%. The rise in youth unemployment is more pronounced in rural areas, with the 20 to 24 years age group experiencing a rate of 43.79%. The CMIE data aligns with findings from Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (MGNREGA), indicating a rise in unemployment levels, particularly in rural areas. While economists express concerns about the volatility of CMIE data, it remains a significant source providing an immediate snapshot of the unemployment situation in India, especially for the informal sector. India to become a $35 trillion economy, said by Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani hailed the 10th Vibrant Gujarat Summit as the world's most prestigious investor summit, a testament to PM Modi's vision and consistency. Ambani lauds PM Modi's visionary leadership and attributed Gujarat's transformation to his leadership. Ambani expressed confidence in India becoming a $35 trillion economy by 2047. Reliance commits to playing a significant role in Gujarat's growth, focusing on green energy, 5G infrastructure, retail, new material, and supporting India's bid for the 2036 Olympics. Reliance pledged to make Gujarat a global leader in green growth with the Dhirubhai Ambani Green Energy Giga Complex and a 5G enabled AI revolution. Ambani emphasized the potential for AI to drive inclusive growth. The summit showcased India's dedication to innovation, economic growth, and global collaboration. President Draupadi Murmu confers the Khel Ratna and Arjuna Awards. President Draupadi Murmu conferred the Khel Ratna and Arjuna Awards at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The ceremony, delayed due to Hangzhou Asian Games, honored outstanding athletes for their contribution. Shuttlers Chirag Shetty and Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy, recipients of the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, were recognized for India's first Asian Games gold in badminton, winning the Asian Championships and securing the Indonesia Open Super 1000 title in 2023. Mohammad Shami, along with 26 athletes and para athletes, received the Arjuna Award for leadership, sportsmanship, and exceptional performance over the past 4 years. Chess Grandmaster R. Vaishali, pistol shooter Isha Singh, wrestler Antim Panghal, boxer Mohammad Husamuddin, and para archer Sheetal Devi were among the notable awardees. Chess coach R.B. Ramesh, acknowledged for nurturing talent like Pragna received the Dronacharya Award. The awards carry cash prizes of Rs 25 lakh for Khel Ratna and Rs 15 lakhs for Arjuna and Dronacharya awardees. 2023 was the hottest year on record. The European Union's Copernicus Climate Change Service C3S confirms 2023 as the planet's hottest year, surpassing all previous records by a substantial margin. C3S Director Carlo Buontempo describes 2023 as an exceptional year, standing out even among historically warm years. The planet was 1.48 degrees Celsius warmer than the pre-industrial period dating back to 1850 to 1900. Despite the global target set in the 2015 Paris Agreement to limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, temperatures exceeded this level on nearly half of the days in 2023, setting a concerning precedent. CO2 emissions from burning fossil fuels hit records level. The concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere reached a record 419 parts per million in 2023, the highest recorded. This increase, along with the El Nino weather phenomenon, contributed to higher global temperatures. Rising temperatures in 2023 intensified heat waves, floods, and wildfires globally, causing devastating consequences. We will be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT, and personal interview, B school deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notification. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck. So these are the 5 news for today. Decline in hiring across sectors in the Indian job market. Rising unemployment among the youth in India. No power on earth can stop India from becoming a $35 trillion economy by 2047. President Draupadi Murmu honors achievers with the Khel Ratna and Arjuna Award. EU scientists confirm that 2023 was the hottest year on record.